Hello G. So this is my solo drive to Vyans and Darma Valley to capture the sounds of mountains. And I was lucky to have the darshan of Kailash Parvat from Lipu Lake Pass. I visited places like Gunji, Kuti, Jolingkong, Adi Kailash, Lipu Lake Pass and Darma Valley. I stayed at Gunji for 3 nights and then at Dantu village of Dharma Valley for 3 nights. So now enjoy the journey and the sounds and do subscribe for such videos in future. After completing my shoot at Vyans Valley, I drove to Dantu village of Dharma Valley via Tawaghat and experienced a lovely sunset that day and a lovely sunrise next day. The view from my stay at Dantu village was absolutely majestic. Like I could sit there for weeks doing nothing but watching the weather changing over the Panchachuli peaks. My first day at Dharma Valley was absolutely amazing, clear, and pleasant. I visited the forest area nearby to record the bird chirpings and then captured multiple time lapses from different locations of the valley. After that, I visited Dantu village to experience the traditional houses and talk to the people working there. But by evening, the weather changed drastically and it started raining. It rained all night, so I could not make much of the night time lapses and was mostly confined to my mudroom. But the next morning was absolutely amazing. It was still raining, but the peaks were all white with the fresh snowfall. I waited for the rain to stop hopelessly, but then decided to visit the village again and take some rain b rolls of the village. It snowed for 3 to 4 hours in the evening and the sunset was totally vanished. But the night opened up a bit as the snowfall stopped.